Hello dear friends, I'm Dr. Arsh Noor. So today I'm going to talk about a very serious topic, that is the upbringing of the children, and what are the 7 things every parent should avoid to say to their children. Undoubtedly, children are the most important responsibility and the asset of every parent. Parents usually spend their whole life while nurturing their children in the best way. So they don't leave any stone unturned for providing the best facilities to the children and for the best upbringing of the children. But often we all make few of the mistakes which have some detrimental impact on the child's personality and the psychology. So if we try to avoid this, hopefully our children will grow up in a very positive and healthy atmosphere and will definitely inculcate good values in their life, which will be quite helpful for them in the later years of their life. So let's discuss about that. So first of all, what I feel that usually we start the childhood of every child with saying don't do, no, don't do this thing. So have you ever thought that what negative impact this carries with it? Children learn more negatives than the positives. So instead of that, if we try to encourage the child for doing something good, so I guess this will be having good impact on the child's personality, because it's a common saying that children need more models than the critics. So be a model, don't be a critic. Model, if you want to develop your child in a good human being, try to be like that. So what you want to be your child, so try to be a good model in front of him. Set a good modeling in your front of your child. So second thing is that, so we often forget to give a positive value in a child and give a negative one undeliberately. So this is the negative comparison. Rather, comparison of any child with anyone else does not seem good, but we often do. Comparison of a child, it may be with his siblings, it may be his friends or with somebody else. So you never know how much a child is hurt by that. So he develops some type of the grievances, some type of the serious griefs in his mind which remain untold, but this develop a negative impact in the child and on his personality, and it definitely has some bad impact on his personality afterwards. So try to avoid any type of the comparison with any other child of your child. Third thing which I want to say, that in every house it happens frequently that father is present at home, but he tells his child to pick up the unwanted call and to tell the respective person that your father is not at home. What are you teaching your child for this? Actually, you are encouraging your child to tell a lie. So knowingly you are not doing that, but what it is resulting in, that when you tell your child to tell a lie to someone else, so in that case he'll apply the same on you also. So why do you get annoyed by that if your child start telling lie afterwards? So try to avoid this. This has a very bad impact on the child's personality. And the fourth step is that we, first of all, mothers, to remain comfortable, they give the remote of the TV in the hands of the child to keep them busy while watching their favorite TV program. And what happens? The children become addicted to that, and after that no one can snatch a remote of a television from the child, and we get so much stress due to that, because a child develops a very bad habit of watching TV for long hours, which has very bad results afterwards. First of all, child becomes couch potato. he becomes stubborn, and his studies and all other activities are neglected. He is deprived of physical activities. He does not like to do any other activity rather than watching television. His free time, I don't say the free time, his whole time that is spent in front of the TV. And what is the worst thing, that he usually takes his food in front of the TV. He spends a lot of time while eating food. It may be an hour more than that. And have you ever thought how much bad or how much health hazards is created afterward? So child often complains of indigestion, pain in the abdomen, or many more. It sometimes result in the stunted growth of the child also. So what should parents do? First of all, try to avoid the development of the TV watching habit in your child. It may be that you should not watch television in front of your child. If it is not possible, then just allow your child to watch television in your presence. The remote should be kept in your hand. Don't let him to be master of yours. Let him to watch television only with your consent. He should not be allowed to watch television when you say no to him. Here, so parents must be responsive. Instead of regretting afterwards, so they should convince the child that TV is to be watched only for an hour maximum, not more than that, because in that case the child neglects his studies, his concentration becomes decreased. I'll discuss all these detrimental impact on the child's personality afterwards in some other video. So now let me finish with this. So another is that children, the one thing I have seen, that when a child is of 1 year old, it may be more than that. So the children, they become addicted to any gadget, mobile phone especially. So once the child start using mobile phone, and you would have seen this thing, that many of the children at a very young age, they become the masters of that. So you need not to tell him any technology. They can download the games at a very younger age, and they can start playing videos, or they may start doing any activities. They download the apps without your knowledge, and sometimes when you are finding any problem, so the child often solves your problem while tackling some technological error. It may be some type of the problem you are facing. The child will be guiding to do that, but this has a very bad impact on your child's health. First of all, so the researchers show that mobile has a very negative vibes. And the first, when the child keeps mobile phone for longer hours and keeps on his ear, so his brain may get damaged. Secondly, undoubtedly, as the TV has the bad effects on the child's personality in all the ways. It is physically, mentally, socially. How socially, that he remained inclined towards television or the mobile phone, do not respond to the parents' calls, and he becomes isolated. He becomes more introvert, doesn't want to interact with anybody else, doesn't wish, it is not wish, that he doesn't like to spend time with any family member, so doesn't interact with anyone. So that's the reason when he grows up, so there is a different communication gap between the family members. If it is more than two, then it is among the family members, even they are sharing the same roof. So this is that much dangerous. Don't allow your child to be a slave of any gadget. So try to keep it away from the approach of the child. So what could be the best solution? What I have seen, that the parents, they often remain busy while chatting with their friends, while downloading some of the apps, or it may be Facebook groups, chatting with them, or sending some of the messages, whatsoever. They remain busy. When the child feels that he sees his parents, that he feels that if they remain glued to the mobile phone, society should use. You can't restrict your child when you yourself are a slave of these gadgets. So try to minimize the uses of the gadgets when you are present at home in front of your child. So don't blame your child to be addicted to mobile phone or any gadget and television when you yourself are using it in excess form. So the last one that I feel that is the biggest hazard, that is that often we speak wrong about someone, so speak evil in front of the child. Either it may be we are backbiting, we are speaking something bad about any personality. It may be from the family member, from the friends or anyone. You won't imagine how much it is creating the dangerous, or it is perilous for your child. So when he listens all to this, so he start developing all these things in his personality also. So he start developing the negative personality. So instead of having positives, so he focuses more on the negatives. He'll do this thing with his teachers, his friends, and after that undoubtedly with you also. So that's the reason, parents, be careful while rearing your child. This is no doubt that the children are the most important and the most affectionate and the lovable, and rather the parents sacrifice a lot for the development of their child. They want their children to be at the topmost position, and the parents they have to bear a lot while the development of the child. But we often forget, we often ignore all these things. So while being a parent, good parent, to prove yourself, try to be a good model in front of your child rather criticizing him. So if you follow all these steps, hopefully your child will develop into a good human being and a civilized person for the society, which is very much required for a good nation building also. Thank you so much for watching this video.